Well, boys, we're doing a very nice tire upgrade here. This is what we're going from. These tires here, we're putting these big ones on. They're a lot bigger. I don't know if they're gonna fit. Might have to bend a little bit up there or something. Here's the comparison. Well, they're definitely a little taller and they're definitely wider, like a lot. It sure is gonna look cool and it should drive decently in the winter. This is what I'm worried about the most though. See right here on the front, is it gonna touch here when I turn the wheels? Anyways, I'm gonna put the front one on first, and if everything fits and works, then I'm going to the shop and I'm gonna get the other ones installed and put them all on. It's gonna look awesome. All right, so I got the two on, and I got, whoa, one on there. Look at the difference from the back. So that's the old tire. Look how funny that looks. And here's the new side. Way better. Here's another angle. Maybe it'll show better. I don't know. Hard to see on camera, but huge difference. All right, so I'm gonna put the last one on, and then I'm taking an SOS pad and I'm gonna wash these tires and all this nice white writing, and you guys are gonna be blown away by how nice it's gonna look. Might even wash the whole truck. Doing that now. Well, boys, here it is. In the end, I never washed it. It's too wet out. There's no point. It's gonna get dirty anyways. Looks awesome. All right, guys. Well, honestly, to conclude this video, I wanted to do it right. So it's actually probably about 2 months later now, and I wanted to really drive it around to see if these fit and if they rub or anything. And in conclusion, I'm gonna tell you, let me show you. All right, guys, so right here inside on the front, see this? Right there, just touches when I turn all the way to the right. I mean, I could take a grinder and just cut a little section out. That should be fine. I mean, do what you gotta do on your own. Don't listen to me. And the other thing is right here, just right here, if you turn just the right way and you hit a big enough bump, but I mean, you gotta be turned pretty sharp. It just hits it. And I mean, these are huge tires, you know, 265, 75 R16s. So if you put these on, you're basically okay. I mean, I'm fine. I'm happy with it. It's such a little rub, it doesn't even do anything to the tire. Like, the rubber's perfect. So I mean, if you went like a little bit smaller, I don't think you would have any issues. So in conclusion, I'm gonna say you can run bigger tires on one of these monsters, and it looks pretty darn cool if you ask me.